This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Hey everyone. So, you're hearing a lot about AI agents lately, right? It sounds super futuristic, maybe even a little complicated. But honestly, the basic idea is pretty straightforward, and thinking about building one isn't as crazy as it sounds. Let's break it down together. Forget just simple chatbots that answer preset questions. An AI agent is more like, well, an agent. Its job is to do things for you. It perceives its environment, which might be digital, reasons about what needs to happen, plans a sequence of actions, and then actually takes those actions using the tools it has access to. So, if you wanted to build one, where would you even start? First things first, define the mission. What specific problem do you want your agent to solve? Is it booking appointments? Analyzing customer feedback? Summarizing complex reports? Get really clear on the goal. That mission guides everything else. Alright, got a mission? Cool. Next up, the agent's brain. This is usually powered by a smart AI model, often a large language model, or LLM, maybe combined with other specialized models. This brain helps the agent understand requests, reason about information, and decide what needs to be done. Choosing the right model depends heavily on that mission you defined. Now, an agent needs to interact with the world, right? Think about its senses and tools. How does it get information? Maybe it reads emails, accesses a database, searches the web, or even analyzes images or charts. And what tools can it use? Can it send emails, update a calendar, use specific software APIs? Listing these out is key. Okay, it has a brain, senses, and tools. Here's where the agent part really shines. Planning and reasoning. It's not just reacting, it's thinking. If the goal requires multiple steps, the agent needs to break it down, figure out the best order, maybe even handle unexpected issues that pop up along the way. This involves creating some logic or a workflow for it to follow. Putting it all together can seem daunting, but tip: start simple. Don't try to build an agent that does everything on day one. Pick a narrow version of your mission, build a basic workflow, connect one or two tools, and test it out. You can always add more complexity and capability later. Iterate, iterate, iterate. Frameworks and platforms out there can also help streamline connecting these pieces. So that's the core idea. Define the mission, choose the brain, give it senses and tools, map out the reasoning, and start simple. AI agents are incredibly powerful because they bridge the gap between understanding information and actually taking action. They can automate tedious tasks, provide complex insights, and work alongside us in really smart ways.